everyone. I'm Bernard Mate, naimbag Ngaldao na kayo from the home of Hanlan Island, Pangasinan. So today I'm standing for my advocacy, promoting environmental protection and sustainability. Because environment is not just only a resources, it is our home, our life source, and our future. Yet today, environment are experiencing a serious threat such as pollution, deforestation, and of course climate change. That's why I believe in the power of individual action. That's why I am aiming to inspire community to practice a simple but impactful habit daily, such as reducing weight, and protecting our water and our nature, and of course by engaging eco-friendly activities. Because change doesn't come big. It starts with awareness, discipline, and consistency. That's why I also advocate for youth empowerment, for environmental action. Because I believe that the young generation has a voice and influence to create change through education and engaging eco-community advocate. So, as long as we are one, protecting our nature, we can create a culture that value the importance of the nature. So simply means protecting environment means securing a healthy and a better world for all. Thank you.